Hi guys, hope you all are fine. Today I am here with a very interesting topic and today we will discuss about the importance of stars. As you know that the stars are blinking on the sky at the night time which were looking very beautiful like the pearls in the darkness. And let's start with the help of Google. To understand it clearly, first of all we search the importance or the information about the stars in the Google search bar. Here comes the intro page. Let's discuss. As you can see in the picture that the stars are glowing. The star is an astronomical object comprising a luminous spheroid of plasma held together by the self-gravity. The nearest star to the Earth is the Sun. Many other stars are visible to the naked eye at night. Their immense distance from the Earth make them appear as a fixed point of light. It is the intro of the star that what are the stars. To understand it clearly, I'll tell you in a proper way that what about stars. A star is not a very small luminous object. It is very huge in original size. It is hardly bigger than the Earth, but most of them are also so large that the hundreds and thousands of Earth could be packed inside each and leave room to spare. Some stars can contain millions and millions of Earths. And as you know, I think that the total number of stars in the universe is equal to the total number of grains of sand of all the seashores of the world. Now on the second place, that what are stars doing in space? As I tell you before that the stars are located on the sky or in the space. So let's start about it. These stars are wandering about in space. A few form groups and travel in the company, but most of them travel alone. A star is million miles away from the nearest neighbor. It is about million miles away from its nearest neighbor. Like I told you before that the sun is the nearest neighbor of the earth. It is about millions miles away from the earth. And the second planet which is near to us or near to the earth is Mars, and is also the million miles away from us. The second thing, that why the stars never come closer to each other. The star never comes near to another because every star is million miles away from it, and they are very hot that they, and some of them are very hot and some of them are cold that they cannot adjust or can be suitable for each of them. So that's why they never come close to each other. Let's start with the questions which are given below. Our first question is, what are the 5 facts about stars? Let's discuss. Interesting facts about the stars. A sun is the closest star. The stars are made of the same stuff. The stars are in perfect balance. Most stars are red dwarfed. Mass, temperature and color is very determined. The most stars comes in multiples. The biggest star would engulf Saturn. The biggest stars in our universe, or our universe name is Milky Way, and the biggest stars in the Milky Way is Saturn. The most massive stars are the shortest lived. It means that the stars which are of very huge mass or very huge quantity has very short life. They don't live long. They will destroy soon. Next question is, what is the biggest star? UY Scuti is the biggest star in the universe. It has an estimated radius of 1.188 billion kilometers. If U and Y Scuti were the center of our solar system, its photosphere or outer shell would reach each past or just past the orbit of the Jupiter. The next questions are, what is the smallest star? Here's the name of the star, which is EBLM-JO 55557 AB, and it is awarded as the smallest star in 2017, published by the Journal Astronomy and Astrophysics. Now the questions are done. Let's discuss it with the help of images. Here, as you can see, the images in the galaxy which we live is the Milky Way one. But not just one galaxy consists in Milky Way. There are many galaxies which exist in Milky Way, from which our is one, in which there are many planets, and we live on Earth, and the nearest planet on the Earth is the Sun. As you can see in this picture, here's the name of the planets or the colors of the stars which exist in the sky or the space. Here the red giant, red supergiant, blue giant star, white dwarf star, yellow dwarf star, red dwarf star, and the blue dwarf star. Hope you will understand it clearly. Thank you.